dear student, let's start our exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 question number 1 is given. Find the common factors of. We will find the common factor of 10 and 15. You know what is the meaning of common factor? Common factor means which is exactly divides two or more given number. So, first of all we will find the common factor of 10. So, you know common factor of 10 is 1, 2 and 5. Okay. Now 15. 15 common factor is 1, 3 and 5. So, we will find out the common factor of 10 and 15. Therefore, this is the symbol of therefore. Therefore, 10 and 15 common factor is, this 5 is the common factor. Both are 5. See, because 2 and 3 are different, 5 and 5 both are similar. So, 5 is your common factor. 1 is also, because 1 is also common factor. So, 1 is here and 1 is here. Both 10 and 15 given 1 also. So, you have to write 1 and 5. One more example I give you. Question number E. 8, 12 and 20. We will find out the common factor. First of all, 8. 1, 2, 4. Okay. These are the common factor of 8. Now 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. And the last is 20. So, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, 10. These are the common factor of 8, 12, 20. Now, find out the similar number. So, this 1, this 2 and this 4. Okay. So, you have to write therefore common factor of 8, 12 and 20 is 1, 2 and 4. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, how many questions are given? You have to note down in your classwork notebook. Now, the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Find the first 3 common multiples of. You have to read table of 8 and 12. In that table, you have to find 3 common factor. For example, you have to write here 8. So, first of all, you have to write down the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80. Up to here, right? Let's see, we will find the common factor. Now, next table is 12. 12, 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 12 8 is 84, 12 9 is 96. Sorry, 12 8 is 96, 12 10 is 12 9 is 108 and 12 10 is 120. Now, this 2 number we will find the common first 3. So, 24 is here, 24 is here. Okay. So, write common factor 24. Next is 48 is here, 48 is here. Write down 48. One more we will find out. So, 72 is here and 72 is here. Like this, you have to find the common factor of first 3. Understood? One more example I give you. B number 6 and 9. Okay. First of all, you will write the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 जा 48, 6 9 जा 54, 6 10 जा 60. Okay. Now 9 table. 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45, 9 6 जा 54, 9 7 जा 63, 9 8 जा 72, 9 9 जा 81, 9 10 जा 90. Up to here you have to write it. Now first 3 we will find out common factor. So 18 and 18 you have to write it here. Next 36, 36. One more we have to find out. 54 and 54. So these are the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 9. Now the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Write all the numbers less than 90. We will write all the numbers less than 90. Which are the common multiples of 5 and 6? First of all, step by step we can move. First we will write the table of 5 continuously. Multiples 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Like this one you have to write 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, up to here. Less than 90 is asking, so up to here you have to write the table. Okay. Now 6 table, same. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, like this one. 6 is 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, up to here, because after that 90 will come. So now in this method we have to find the common multiples of 5 and 6. So what to write? Just you write common multiples of okay. So common is here 30, 30, 60, 60. These are the common multiples of 5 and 6. So you have to write 30 and 60 is your answer. Understood? Now next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Which of the following pairs of numbers are co-prime? What we have to do in this question? First of all, we will find out the all possible factor of 13, like this one. So 13 factor of 1 and 13, same 16. So 16 is given you here 1, 2, 4, 8 and 60. Now can we find out here any similar number except 1? Okay. So 1 is the only common factor of 13 and 60. Therefore 13 and 16 are co-prime. Okay. Similarly, you have to write 1 is the only factor of 13 and 16. Therefore 13 and 16 are co-prime. Understood? Therefore 13 and 16 are co-prime. One more example. 16. Same you have to find 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Now 21, 1, 3 and 7. In this number again 1 is the common factor. So what we have to write clearly, 1 is the only common factor of 16 and 21. Therefore 16 and 21 are co-prime. It means clearly 1 is the only common factor of 16 and 21. So therefore 16 and 21 are co-prime. Okay. One more example I give you. C number, which is given 25 and 105. So what to do? 25 write 1, 5 only and 25. Now 105, one table it will come, then 5 and then 1, 3 and 5 is the common factor of 105. Now in these two category, what we have to do? It's simply 25 and 105 have common factor. These are the common factor. Okay. So other than 1, therefore 25 and 105 are not co-prime. You know, if you have common factor in any number, it means it is not a co-prime number. Understood? So here is given. Again I repeat, 1 and 5 are given having factor of other than 1. It means 25 and 105 are not co-prime. It means it is not a co-prime. Understood? Now the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is given, find all common factor of 12 and 20. Common factor, first of all we will find out. Simply write 12, one table, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Clear? Now 20, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 10 and 20. Now we will find out the common factor of 12 and 20. So 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common only. So common factor of 12 and 20 is 1, 2 and 4. Now next question is given, also find the first 5 common multiples of their common factor. Same method we will use the table of 12 and 20, and in that table we will find the 5 common multiples. So simply 12 table write, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, up to here, right? Let's see. Now table of 20, 21 is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. In this number we will find 5 common multiples. So 5 common multiples. First of all 61 common multiples, then 122. It means we will write more table. So 12 11 ja 100, 32, then 12 12 ja 144, then 156 plus 168 plus 180, then 192, then 204, then 216, then so here 160, 180 is given, this is 3, 200, space is not here, so we will rub and write it here. Actually space is not there, so I am written all the table 12 and 20. So 12 table up to written 300. Okay. In this 20 I am written up to 300. Now we will find out 5 common multiples. So 60 is common, 120, then 180, then 240 is here, 300. So common first 5 common multiples of 12 and 20 is 60, 120, 180, 240 and 300. Okay, you have to write the table up to 12, 12, 13, 12, 14 like this one you have to write, and in that way you have to find out 5 common multiples. So question number 6, same to same, you have to solve it yourself, and tomorrow before 1 o'clock you have to complete your classwork. Thank you.